Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Once again friends, I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and mesmerizing, eye-catching hand embroidered face mask designs. Yes friends, my today's video is based on very beautiful, latest, trendy, 60 plus amazing but easy to make hand embroidered face mask designs. Friends, with this very easy to make face mask designs, you can make your own masks by sitting at your homes. And all of these patterns are very eye-catchy. These mini flower patterns could also help you because they can be used as face mask designs and much more different perspectives of hand embroidery DIY stuffs. So friends, you can utilize these embroidery patterns and design ideas in a variety of ways, in a number of ways, as per your choices as well. You can use this up inspired design. This autumn tree is extremely eye-catching. These are very easy 16 designs, yet another 10 series of easy designs comes to you. You can also make masks on polka dot based prints or small floral printed fabric. Light and dark, different combination based design ideas have been shared in this video. Very easy lazy daisy stitch could be used to make flowers. You can also use these patterns for machine embroidery as well. Some basic things are required to make them. 1. Embroidery frame. 2. Embroidery needles. And the 3rd, and the most important one, is the embroidery thread. I hope friends that you like the whole video and you have been entertained with the today's classic and amazing collection, as you always have been amazed and entertained with my previous design ideas. So if you want some more design ideas, then go to my channel's playlist, Face Mask Designs. From there you can find thousands of design ideas. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and we will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.